Determining the value of an apartment building is crucial for making informed buying, selling, or financing decisions. This is especially true at a time when rent values are soaring every year, when rents are softening as they are now, or when the construction of new multifamily units is in danger of falling below the current demand. Hi, this is Benjamin Ficker. I'm a multifamily broker with the KWC team at KW Commercial. In order to make sound investment decisions when it comes to your properties, you must know the accurate and current value of your property. There are three primary methods to calculate the value of your property: looking at the cap rate, the gross rent multiplier, and looking at comparative sales. Let's dive into each to understand how they work. The income capitalization rate, often referred to as the cap rate, is widely used for income generating properties. To calculate the value using this method, you first need to determine the net operating income, or NOI, of the apartment building. This is done by subtracting the property's operating expenses from the total annual income. Then you divide the NOI by the going cap rate in your market for similar properties. This method is highly regarded for its focus on returns, though it is also where many people screw up the math. The gross rent multiplier, or GRM, offers a simpler calculation primarily focused on the property's income potential. To find the GRM, you divide the property's price by its annual gross rental income. You can also apply the GRM to your property by multiplying the going rate by your property's gross rents. This method is beneficial for a quick estimate, but it doesn't account for operating expenses. Looking at comparative sales, or comps, involves comparing your property to similar properties that are active, under contract, or have recently sold in the area. By analyzing the sales data, you can get a ballpark figure for what investors are willing to pay for the apartment buildings just like yours. This method requires adjusting for differences between your property and the comps, such as location, unit count, unit mix, condition, and income potential. It's more subjective than the other methods, but it's invaluable for understanding the current market. While these methods provide a solid starting point for valuing your apartment building, the best approach to accurately determine your property's worth is to work with a seasoned commercial real estate broker who specializes in multifamily properties. And no matter which method you use, you also need to account for the property's ability to be financed, but that's a topic for another day. Whether you're considering selling your property or simply looking to understand your investment's current market position, reach out by phone, text, or email with any questions you have. I'm always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll chat soon.